In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you why you need to stop watching YouTube videos. Hello guys, I am Cyril and welcome to TubePassion. Here on TubePassion, we make content concerning YouTube, technology and money related to technology. So if you are an upcoming YouTuber or you are interested in any technology videos, make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you won't be left out when we release any video. Let's get right into the video. In this our dispensation, most of us spend time on various social platforms, which data shows that YouTube has 2.3 billion active users worldwide, which includes the both of us. So unless you are watching those contents to learn from them, then it is a waste of your precious time. But do you know that there is a secret which a lot of us don't know about these content creators? All these contents we spend our time and data watching. These content creators make money from them just posting those content for us to watch. Yes, there are benefits of you being a content creator, and then it comes with a whole package with it. So let's ask ourselves a question here. Do you have a passion or do you have a skill, something you are very good at? If yes, then I want to tell you that you can make some money out of what you are very good at by creating content concerning that. Like us here on TubePassion, I have realized that people are struggling to grow their YouTube channels, which I have a bit of experience and knowledge about, which I'm sharing with you guys now. So any kind of skill you have or any kind of passion you have which you are very good at, you can start making money out of it by creating content around it. So in case you like what you are hearing, or you want to know more, or you want to know how this works, I've made a video separately for that, which I'll leave the link in the description below. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. If you have any comments, you leave it down in the comment section. If you like what you are hearing and you are interested in knowing more, make sure you watch the next video, and then don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, drop a comment down in the comment section below. I am Cyril and this is TubePassion. Peace.